You might have heard that you can't eat fruit if you have diabetes. Fruit has carbohydrates in the form of natural sugar called fructose, which can raise your blood sugar levels. But it can still be part of your meal plan. It's full of vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds called phytochemicals. When you're looking for a diabetes-friendly treat that can help keep your blood sugar within a healthy range, look no farther than the produce drawer of your refrigerator or the fruit basket on your kitchen table. Here are the 8 best fruits for a diabetes. 1. Berries for refreshing, disease-fighting antioxidants. Whether you love blueberries, strawberries, or any other type of berry, you have the go-ahead to indulge. According to the ADA, berries are a diabetes superfood because they're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber plus they're low GI. 3/4 of a cup of fresh blueberries has 62 calories and 16 grams of carbohydrates. If you can resist the urge to just pop them into your mouth, try berries in a parfait, alternating layers of fruit with plain non-fat yogurt. It makes a great dessert or breakfast for diabetes. 2. Tart cherries to help fight inflammation. Tart cherries are a low GI choice and a smart addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. 1 cup has 78 calories and 19 grams of carbs, and they may be especially good at fighting inflammation. Tart cherries are also packed with antioxidants, which may help fight heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. These fruits can be purchased fresh, canned, frozen, or dried. But since many canned and dried fruits contain added sugar, which can spike your blood sugar, be sure to check the labels. 3. Sweet, juicy peaches for metabolism-boosting potassium. Fragrant, juicy peaches are a warm weather treat and can also be included in your diabetes-friendly diet. Peaches contain vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber, and are delicious on their own or tossed into iced tea for a fruity twist. When you want an easy diabetes-friendly snack, whip up a quick smoothie by pureeing peach slices with low-fat buttermilk, crushed ice, and a touch of cinnamon or ginger. 4. Apricots for a scrumptious fiber-rich bite. Apricots are a sweet summer fruit staple and a wonderful addition to your diabetes meal plan. 1 apricot has just 17 calories and 4 grams of carbohydrates. 4 fresh apricots equal 1 serving and provide more than 50% of your daily vitamin A requirement. These fruity jewels are also a good source of fiber. Try mixing some diced fresh apricots into hot or cold cereal, or toss some in a salad. 5. Apples for a quick fibrous and vitamin C-rich snack. An apple a day really might keep the doctor away. Toss one in your purse or tote bag if you're on the go. A small apple is a great fruit choice, with just 77 calories and 21 grams of carbs. Apples are also loaded with fiber and are a good source of vitamin C. Don't peel your apples, though the skins are the most nutritious part, full of antioxidants. 6. Oranges for a juicy, refreshing source of vitamin C. Eat 1 orange and you've gotten all the vitamin C you need in a day. This low GI choice comes in at only 15 grams of carbohydrates and 62 calories. Oranges also contain folate and potassium, which may help normalize blood pressure. And while you're enjoying this juicy treat, don't forget that other citrus fruits, like grapefruit, are also great choices. 7. Pears for easy snacking, plus vitamin K and fiber. Because pears are an excellent source of fiber and a good source of vitamin K, they make a wise addition to your diabetes meal plan. Plus, unlike most fruit, they actually improve in texture and flavor after they're picked. Store your pears at room temperature until they're ripe and perfect for eating. They can then be stowed in the refrigerator. Here's a tasty treat: slice up a pear and toss it into your next spinach salad. 8. Zesty green kiwi for potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. If you've never tried a kiwi, you may not know that its brown fuzzy peel hides a zesty bright green fruit. Delicious kiwi is a good source of potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. 1 large kiwi has about 56 calories and 13 grams of carbohydrates, so it's a smart addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. Kiwis are available year-round and will last in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks.